Maria tonight, as a matter of fact, show you that it's about 250 miles off the coast of Cape Hatteras. In fact, right hand of your screen, that's Hurricane Lee. Very small, won't make landfall either because Maria is expected to take a nice right turn. She's a minimal Category 1 with 80-mile-per-hour winds. You can see she really has been sheared apart. Chopper 5 in the air on a beautiful Monday night, our Tower Life building, and there she is. Old Glory is flying so beautifully on this Monday night. Beautiful breeze out of the southeast. It's still moving pretty good. We had a 15 to 20 mile per hour clip earlier this afternoon, and now still going about 10 to 15. Makes for a very nice night. Isn't that a pretty shot? Thank you, Chopper 5. All right, take a look. Skycam 5 into downtown right now with skies still a bit on the cloudy side and conditions still a bit on the humid side. 79, it's that dew point that stays over the 70 mark. At 72, you're feeling the mugginess. East wind about 10. Expect some low clouds, maybe even a little patchy fog to start Tuesday. 85 is where we finished today, so we came up a few degrees shy. The number I want to point out, too, about 1/4 of an inch of rainfall. The beginning of this wet weather pattern, a small deposit, but I think we could get upwards of about 1.5 to 2 inches in some spots of the city before it's all said and done. The nice thing about this episode, it will be spread out enough that we don't have the flood threat in the city. We will have some nice rain and we will get some heavy pockets at times like we did today, but we shouldn't see flooding. Light rain tonight is off to the south and west of downtown. It's over Castroville down to Divine. Again, with the yellows, you're not getting very heavy rainfall. I would call it light to moderate. Over the last hour or two, it's been slowly edging into the city. It's really lost its punch farther south, and it was generating some pretty intense lightning like what you're seeing near Encinal right now that had a brief tornado warning earlier this evening. It was a radar indicated, nothing confirmed and nothing as far as damage reported. But down I-35, once you get south of Cotulla, it gets really intense. Now this is very heavy rain near Cotulla too. It's going to try to make it to Pearsall. It'll be close. A lot of Pearsall just getting a good moderate shower out there tonight. So Ranchland's getting good rains, but the amount of rain we're still expecting to the west has us a bit concerned. Flash flood threat from Hondo west of Del Rio and down to Eagle Pass until Thursday night at 7 p.m. This is a 4-night watch, and the Rio Grande already under a warning. So this is where things get dangerous along that Rio Grande, because look at the rain totals we're expecting. Between now and the next couple of nights, we could go upwards of 9 to 10 inches of rain between Uvalde and Eagle Pass. It falls off quickly when you move east into the city. We're not even expected to eclipse 3 inches, so maybe about a 2-inch total here. This is a good moisture feed from what was Tropical Storm Pilar down near Durango. Moving inland now, but a lot of Pacific moisture streaming up, high pressure out of the way. So now we've also got a surface disturbance that's helping generate this rainfall over the same area. So with that Pacific moisture streaming up over a trough of low pressure, we're expecting a lot more heavy rain out to the west tomorrow. We've got a decent coverage on tap for our Tuesday as well. In the city, about a 50 to 60% coverage. And here's how the timing works out tomorrow. 60% chance 8 through 10 a.m. and then back upwards of a 70% chance by 2 to 3. And even tomorrow night, 60% chance. All right, so overnight, I think you're going to hear the rain falling. It's going to be between about 3 and 5 a.m. with a 70% coverage, but expect a wet commute tomorrow morning with 60% chance of rain that will keep all day. High of 86. 7-day forecast shows you Wednesday 50-50 even through Wednesday night. Then we start turning the corner. So it really looks like tomorrow and Wednesday, the wet days. Thursday, Friday, 30% chance, and a beautiful weekend is waiting for us.